Hello sir, my name is Atif Ali Khan. I am here to present a presentation on how Apache Hadoop is helping large organizations data lake. So what basically Hadoop is, it's an open source framework, helps to process large data sets, and a data lake, it's an unstructured, semi-structured and structured data can all be kept in one place in a data lake. There are no set restriction on account size or the file size, making it possible to store any type of data in the original formats. To improve the efficiency of the analytics and the native integration, it provides a large amount of data in many ways. The concept of data lake is comparable that of a lake or a river. In this current slide, you can see the diagrammatic representation of a data lake. There are three components of Hadoop. They are HDFS, known as Hadoop Distributed File System, MapReduce, which is used for computation engine, and the YARN, which is a resource negotiator. You can use HDFS if you need a distributed file system for the storage. MapReduce can be used for distributing computation or the computation on the massive data sets, whereas YARN manages resource allocation for the cluster maintenance. There are several companies who use Apache Hadoop on their datasets. Some of them famous are the Facebook, Chevron, eBay, and LinkedIn. So what is Hadoop Data Lake? It's a platform for managing data made up of one or more Hadoop clusters. Specifically, it is used to analyze and store non-relational data like log files, internet click streams, records, sensor data, JSON objects, pictures, and social media posts. So in this slide, you can see how Data Lake platform performs. It consists of Hadoop ecosystem, SFTP server, client environment, MicroStrategy, data stage, Power BI, and Live dashboard. Where the MicroStrategy is an enterprise business intelligence application software. It's a flagship platform, contains multiple features designed to help enterprise make data-driven decisions, and optimize business process. Where a Live dashboard is a performance tool used to analyze, track, and report on the company's data in real time. With the help of interactive data visualizations, these real-time dashboards are automatically updated and provide the user with the instant access to critical data. So in the previous slide, we have seen the Hadoop Data Lake platform diagram. Now, both Hadoop and the data lake are the distinct concepts. The data lake is an architectural element, while Hadoop is a set of technologies. On a common hardware, we can store the Hadoop level data in a distributed fashion using the HDFS file system, which is also a component of the Hadoop. There are numerous stores in various geographic locations. Data comes in many various forms, including JSONs, Avro, Excel, and text format. The data might be in a structured or unstructured format. The information will eventually be accessible in the proper format. It must be delivered to the system for the downstream. The final data will then be accepted by the downstream systems. It will build a live dashboard on the top of the data. To the SFTP location, the exact identical file will be uploaded. They stick to the specific SFTP structure while uploading the data, which is also called as a Secure File Transfer Protocol (SFTP), using the SSH or the NFS protocol to get the same uploaded by the store. We need to write the different validations to avoid the multiple copy. We are using the SSH or the NFS protocol to copy the data from the SFTP to the Hadoop environment. Having multiple services like Hive, Yarn, Spark. Yarn service helps in resource scheduling. Execution engines like Tez using the Hive for the SQL queries using as per the requirement. After transforming, storing the data on the HDFS level, different tools like MicroStrategy, DataStage, Power BI helps in creating different reports. So in the previous slide, we discussed about the MicroStrategy and the Live dashboard. MicroStrategy is a business application platform contains multiple features designed to help an enterprise make data-driven decisions, while a Live dashboard is a performance tool used to analyze, track, and report on the company's data in the real time with the help of interactive data visualization. These real-time dashboards are automatically updated and provide the user with the instant access to the critical data. And in this slide, you can see the Hadoop Data Lake basic architecture. Now here are the benefits of using Apache Hadoop for the business purpose of its speed, fault tolerance, scalability, cost saving, and managing diverse data. So here I conclude my presentation by saying greater analytics and insights are required in the research sector due to the enormous amount of data that are generated every day. Even though data is used in some capacity by every sector, from healthcare to the auto industry, it is crucial that a rational research architecture be incorporated into the system. The data lake may get contaminated if this is not done, leading to the data inefficiencies. And that's all. Hope you like my project. Thank you.